What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro action camera. So I was in the market for a action camera, and I considered the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and I also considered the Insta360 H Pro 2, but eventually I settled on getting this one. Part of that was because I had a DJI Osmo action camera back in 2020. I think it may have been the first one. I'm not sure, but I use that camera a lot, man. I even recorded YouTube videos about the mods and stuff for it, and it was a great camera. So I ended up deciding to get this one. I paid $497 for it yesterday. So here's my receipt from yesterday. $497 with taxes, 24 cents. I called them up to get the extra $80 off over the phone. They price matched it. So it was $369.99 plus tax. And so that was a good deal. So getting ready to do some traveling and stuff. So I wanted another action camera. And like I said, I decided to get this one. And today, like I said, it's the 17th. If you're interested in picking this up, don't know how long the $80 sale will be, but I'll have the link in the description. So here's some of the features and details of this camera. Capture urban nightscapes. The Osmo Action Pro features a 1/1/3 sensor for stunning low light shots. You got enhanced subject tracking. You got a 4nm chip for fast, reliable framing. Fast framing is 16:9 or 9:16. You get long-lasting, all-condition use. You're going to get about 4 hours of extended battery life. This comes with 3 batteries, if I'm not mistaken. You get vibrant, precise controls. You get true-to-life colors with dual OLED touchscreens right there. Urban stable footage. You get high-quality footage with 360-degree horizon steady feature on here. That's going to keep your horizon locked, I think it is, for vlogging, camping, and sports. You get professional audio, so you can hook up your DJI microphones with this, the DJI Mic 2. Now, I have the original DJI. I'm not sure if this one will work, this pair right here, but I'm definitely going to give it a try and see. Or you can plug in to the Type-C on here and use mics like that as well. Adventure combo with 3 extreme batteries. Yeah, we talked about that. So those are a few of the features and details there. I'm looking forward, like I said, to using this camera here. So let's go ahead. Here's the packaging. You guys see DJI Osmo Action Pro. And let's go ahead and get this film off of here first. And check this out. So I really considered those other cameras, but like I said, I've had this one, the previous version of this before, and I really enjoyed that one. So here's the box. You got pictures here of different people using them at different things here. Some of the same specs I read off earlier right here. I don't see anything different. And let's go ahead and get this open. So you just pull this little tab here. And let's see how this comes apart here. All right, so very easy. So you got Osmo Action 5 Pro, and you got your accessories. 2 boxes here. And this also comes with this stick. I think it's called an extension stick or something like that. I'm not sure. I saw a few videos on this, but it will be great to use. It's not a tripod, I don't think. I just think it's like a extension rod or something like that. Does have a 1/4 inch screw right there where you can put it on the tripod if you want. And it just simply extends like this. I'm not sure how long it is. If I figure that out, I'll put it on the display. Let you guys see. Has some branding right there. Nice grip right here. Very nice, man. So here's the end where you connect your device right there. All right, so let's get into the accessories first. All right, so we get this is probably one of the mounts. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is one of the mounts. I think this is all magnetized as well. Works with magnets, I think. You're going to get your Type-C cable for charging your battery pack, I believe. I said I watched a few videos on this, but not a whole lot. This is going to be kind of like a reteach myself. Of course, you're going to get your paperwork and stuff there. This look like more paperwork and stuff there. And that is pretty much it in the box. And these are going to be your battery pack with your batteries. So it comes a lot with a lot of stuff here. So here's the charging case and battery pack. Very small, compact. Right there, and there are your 3 batteries. As you guys see, the LED lights there. These are 1950 milliamp hour batteries. Very compact, man. Some branding right there. It's your charging port. Looks great. And then let's get to the camera. So I'm going to take this out and use this and let you guys know what I think about it. So that's the camera. Poison for the trolls. And then you get your cage as well. I know my first one I had, it had a cage to it. And I bought some mods and stuff where I could hook up microphones and stuff like that. I think this is another mount. Yeah, you get your screw. These are your 2 screws here to mount it right there. And then I think you get a mount right here as well. All right, so you get a different type of mount. This is one you can put on your dashboard or something like that. You also have some sticky backs there, not sure what that is. And then you get another mount like the other one over there. These are the same. So they give you 2 of them, so not bad. And then here's your cage. You got your button up here. This is how you get into the, this is another button right here. Like I said, I'll have to refamiliarize myself. This is a totally different one from what I had. Should be pretty familiar. This is, look like the on and off button there. Right there, that's the cage. And let's get to the camera. Now this has a bigger screen on it than the one I had. 1 over 1/3 sensor. Supposed to be pretty good. And here it is. So you got a label on there. Tighten the lens protective cover before taking it in the water. So you can remove this as well if I'm not mistaken. Here's the lens right there. You got Action 5 right there. I think it's a sensor or something right in the middle of that O. Here's your front screen right there. Here's your department here. Like I said, yeah, this opens up. That's where your battery go right there. DJI branding. Here's your back screen. Not mistaken, I think this is power on and off. And then you can open up this compartment as well. This is where your Type-C charging port is. And you can also use a micro SD card with this. This also comes with 47 gigabytes of internal storage as well. There's your capture button right there, I think it is. And here it is, man. This is very nice. Tiny, small, just what I was looking for. Let's see if I remember how to put this in the cage. I think it just slides in. Yeah, you just unlock that. Slides in like that. Snaps in. So here it is in the cage right there. Very nice, man. So I'm going to drop the battery in. Like I said, this is just an unboxing. I got to familiarize myself with this. Definitely won't be trying to show anything on it because I don't know too much about the camera itself. So let's go ahead and see if we can get one of these batteries in. Do have a nice little pull tab for the battery right there to get it out of that. And let's see, it's going to go in just like this. Snapping in place like that. And there's the boot up right there, and then go through the setup process. And there's the front screen right there. So this has been my unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I'll definitely come back with some more videos about this after I get a chance to figure out how to use it and show some footage as well. So DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in the house. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.